What's the meaning of chippings? Chippings. Chippings.
Chippings. Chippings. Chippings refer to small pieces of stone or similar material that are used as a decorative surface layer on roads, pathways, or landscaping areas. These pieces of stone may be angular or rounded and vary in size from a few millimeters to several centimeters in diameter. They provide a durable and low-maintenance surface for outdoor areas while also adding visual interest and texture. Chippings can come in a variety of colors, from natural shades of gray and brown to vibrant hues of red, blue, and green, allowing for customization to suit any design aesthetic.